all these, and we're just trying to find me or some shit. Anyways, let's get to it, chat. Alright, let's start off with the analysis through the 4 hour. Alright. Let me see. Bro, literally top 10 most retarded things I've ever done in my trading career ever happened today. I ain't tripping too hard. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just locked in, dialed into my fucking psychology, but let's get to it. On the 4 hour, honestly, my levels, like high time frame wise, which is pretty much just this ginormous fucking really far away, relatively equal lows over here. And also this 4 hour unmitigated if you like wanted to go long for the day, which I didn't really expect, but I just did it just in case. Yes, basically same fucking thing. It's on the 1 hour. The 1 hour we had an unmitigated gap right here, and we had an unmitigated. Oh, this looks insane. Can I like hold on? How do I hide my drawings? Okay. Nice. We had an unmitigated 1 hour gap right here, which you can barely fucking see, but it's right there. And the thing is, ES already kind of tapped into it, so I didn't really see that as like a prominent level for me. It's kind of like an SMT, you know, ES already tapped into it, so in a way it was kind of protected, but then NQ, you know, hasn't tapped into it yet. I still had it in mind though, and of course it did end up going into it, but yeah. We had this 1 hour BPR down here, but this fair value gap also got tapped into, so I didn't really see us going down here all the way. Yes, same thing. Let's go on the 15 minute real quick. Dude, get this thing the frick out of here. Tell me why I got an Apex account. That shit did not come in yet, bro. Fucking shitty ass Apex, bro. Anyways. Okay, I think I can show my drawings. Yeah. Honestly, going to market open, like, I was just trying to see what I could play off of, which, what I was trying to play off of was shorts, because we had all this low resistance right here, with this 1 hour unmitigated gap under us. And then, we had literally relatively equal lows, basically. So, this looks so fucking confusing. Let me, like, delete some shit real quick, because this looks insane. So, literally got market open, bro. Let me go into 5 minutes. We ripped ass a little bit, took out these highs, and made an SMT of ES. So I was like, this is literal fucking easy bank right here, right? You feel me? Easy fucking bank, dog. So I'm like, I'm gonna try to find some shorts in this bitch. Which is what we did. There was 2 minute, which I wanted to see get inversed, but I didn't like this exact close right here. And we were in a 5 minute at the time as well. So I was like, let me wait for like 3 minutes, right? And I took 3 minutes. I was like, boom, easy fucking trade, right? And I'm like, bro, this is a very good trade. Go break even at these lows down here. Boom, went break even, right? I might take profit. Let me move this out the way. I might take profit at these equal lows down here. And I was like, bro, this is such a good trade. Boy, was I fucking wrong. This is about a 1.5, and then like I realized like when we were like a little bit around here, I was like, am I tripping? Before it hit quote unquote TP, right? I'm like, how the fuck am I down like $100 on my accounts? Like, how the fuck am I down $100 if I'm like in profit? And I was like, bro, I'm in the wrong position. I'm in a fucking buy right now when I was supposed to sell. So that was completely retarded on my end. So, you know, can't really be mad or blame. Like, I can't really, you know, don't really got any emotions here or anything, but I ain't tripping too hard. It's only like $200 loss. It is what it is. I think, I don't know why I clicked buy instead of sell. I think I was like looking like through I was like scrolling through different fucking like the Discord and then the Top Up X platform, and I was like, I probably just got distracted or some shit. So like something I can just learn from this for myself is just that literally don't be retarded and just I think I'm gonna like what's it called have the Discord on my MacBook instead of my actual phone, so I don't like get distracted. I mean, it's not that fucking big of a deal that I clicked the wrong button. Well, it kind of is if like I start losing like 10 bands, but you feel me? Um, yeah, that's literally the only mistake I kind of made here, but it took out the equal lows and it hit break even. So this was a winning trade for me. I would have made around I don't fucking know. I don't feel like doing that math because I don't know because like the position was reversed, but yeah, not bad trade honestly. Just bad fucking trader. I fucked up, clicked the wrong position. So yeah, that was that trade. It actually went down a little bit lower, but if you would have held and you went break even, you would have got break even. But that's that. Let me see what else. After that, I was like, well, shit, maybe I can get some type of re-entry in, right? At this point, we took out the equal lows, but we still had this unmitigated gap and like a bunch of this low resistance to the downside. So I was like, I still see this going a little bit lower. Let me see if I can like get something in here. Oh, what am I clicking, bro? Boom, I saw this 5 minute fair value gap right here. I was like, okay, nice. Maybe you can get some type of short off this 5 minute fair value gap. Let me delete this stuff real quick. Hold on. I don't want to like over encumber this shit. So I was like, nice. There's a 5 minute fair value gap to tap off of. And at that point, I was like, let me see if I can get a 1 minute off this. Right? There's no 1 minute. I checked the 30-second. Now we did give this 30-second right here. But honestly, if I would have took this 30-second, I would have got a loss, right? So thank God I didn't take this 30-second. This is also on my XFA as well. Yeah, I wonder if like these loud ass clicks are loud as fuck. Cause like I'm pretty sure, like whenever I like clicking this shit, it's loud as shit. So my bad. But anyways, yeah, if I would have took this 30-second, I would have got lost. And I didn't take it because like the way it closed, it didn't give any momentum to the downside, no type of good volume to the downside. It barely even inversed it, and it just showed at the end of the wick. It's like it ripped ass a little bit right here, right, making this wick, which is why I see this trade losing, kind of sucking. Not just that, but also there's a bigger 15-second fair value gap here, and it kind of like bounced off to go higher. So I would have took a loss if I took this trade. Or if I would have placed my stop loss at this high, which that's fucking crazy, I would have got to break even anyways. But the trade I actually did take, my second trade for the day, was this guy right here. This boy right here. This 15-second IFEG, which I don't think was bad. But the only thing I don't like about the only thing I don't like about taking 15-second IFEGs is they get break evens pretty often. Like it'll save you from a bunch of losses, but fuck, and also like most of them are just break even. Like most 15-second IPG trades are break even, unless the bias is very good and very strong and like high conviction. That's just something I notice for myself off the 15 seconds I take. But there are some like I'd say like mostly the 15-second. What was it? The 15-second IPGs that do play out very well would be like ones off of a 15-minute fair value gap, and we inverse the fucking. We give like a high time from IVG, and we bounce off of a 15-second. Excuse me, 15 fair. Damn, bro, gosh, Lee, 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, but like trades like these, like I took it because I had such a good break even spot. I went break even right here. And I was like, okay, bet. I wouldn't mind if this gets break even or not. Like it's not that crazy. Got to break even. And that was literally it for today. And then chop work started happening a little bit. I ended this trading day very, very early because of that stupid mistake I done. And also I'm already like I gotta break even, so. But even right now, it looks like there's a play going on kind of right here. I don't know. Very strange play. if anyone took this like 5-minute IFEG, then just for us to shit the bed. Pretty fucking strange, dude. I'm off for the day. I'm gonna go to the gym, but yeah, learn from my mistakes. Don't be a dumbass and click the buy instead of sell, and literally made me miss out on profit. More than that, it made me lose some money, but I'm not too mad about it. It was like only like a little bit. I sound like a little privileged white boy talking about something. It's only a little bit of money, you know. But seriously though, like actual trades, not that much money, so I'm not too mad. For the rest of the day, where can I even see us going for real? I mean, it looks like we want to go to sell side over here, but genuinely craziest mistake, one of the craziest mistakes I made in my trading career. But yeah, that's it.